Yes, my people, I'm there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright. Alright, now my people, brace yourself. Cause first things first, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show false teeth or denture in a bag with something else. And when we look at the video, I wonder how something like that end up in a bag with something like that, viewers and subscribers. That's what I say. But anyways, in the video, you can hear someone saying certain things. And if you listen to the video and look carefully, you might get an understanding about the whole situation. Please bear in mind that some of you might not be able to bear looking at this video. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe for yourself, my people. Oh.
No, then tell me why my sister go buy a bag of fruits and get the denture in it, dog.
What do I ask like this? A bag of fruit with some dentures, somebody dentures in it.
Obviously, Asmadi, have you ever seen something so disgusting in your life? Jeez, yo, how that end up there, some people? I am only going by some things that a person said in the video, viewers and subscribers, and I can't help but wonder if the video is of something that happened for real or if the video is just a publicity stunt, viewers and subscribers. Don't get me wrong, I am not discriminating anyone who wear dentures. No, I don't do those kind of things, as I say. But the video had me wondering how something like that happened, and if the video is of something that happened for real or is just a publicity stunt. Let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show a man who was intoxicated. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly how the man got intoxicated, viewers and subscribers, meaning that I don't know what the man might have drank or whatsoever. So I say, however, the video shows the man staggering while the person was trying to walk properly, and that's in my point of view. More than one part of the video shows when the person lost his balance and fell, viewers and subscribers. Now, yes, when it comes on to drinking alcohol, viewers and subscribers, or when it comes on to doing certain things that make you get intoxicated, me do videos about those type of things. Yes, I say, drinking alcohol can be dangerous to your health. You must be of the legal age to do so. And as an adult, if you decide that you're going to drink, please do so responsibly. Now, when I say alcohol, viewers and subscribers, I'm talking about rum and beverages that have alcohol in it, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, alcohol can damage your liver, your kidney, and other parts inside your body, viewers and subscribers. Anyways, the video that I'm about to present to you is more than 4 minutes long, and the video shows a man who was not wearing any shirt and the pants was dirty, viewers and subscribers. Yes, I say? Some people found the video funny on social media, some people do not. And I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Get up in your body.
Show them. Wicked man. Put on it now. Put on it.
Sorry, please.
Tell them in the bit.
You can't put down your bag.
Go through the teacher.
Come through.
Herman, watch out now, watch out now.
Yeah, already ready. No, fresh. My dad.
Hey, yeah.
Ready, my dog. What's your boat? I like the soap. Mr. Rock, the soap. Now, come over this. Okay.
This one is locked. Well, but you put that one. Flash! Okay.
Yo, Fred.
Hey, it's my ready. Oh, Fred.
Come for it.
No one on mine.
Yo, Fred.
Kill the no boy. Kill him.
Boss in the face, shimmy.
Popsy. We and them we are party.
Yeah!
Hey!
Okay, man!
Yo, Harry. Yo, Harry.
Yeah, no. Where want to go, Taibo?
Are we moving soda? Yeah.
Alright, now my people, I know you have adults who drink every now and then, you have adults who drink socially, viewers and subscribers. I mean, I say, don't get me wrong, I am not bashing people and being discriminated against people who drink them little alcoholic beverages and so forth. You understand me? But what I try to point out is that too much of it can be bad for your health. You know what I mean? And as an adult, if you're going to do so, drink responsibly. Minors, not to drink none at all. For your underage, you know, if you have nothing to do with drinking alcohol. You see me, I say, it's not a good thing to try and control nobody to live the way how you want them to live. No, and that's how it work. You understand? And that's how I look for life. You see? Yeah, but we can give me advice and, you know, put some warnings out there. Anyways, another topic now. Alright, so I got information that a person who some people might call a windshield wiper was shot and killed today, the 25th of October, the year 2022 in St. Andrew, Jamaica. It is said that the incident happened at a location where you can clearly see the intersection of Constant Spring Road and Dunrobin Avenue in St. Andrew, Jamaica. Preliminary reports are that the person who died was at the location when two persons who was traveling on a motorcycle somehow reached that location and shots was fired, and the person who some people call a windshield wiper was hit multiple times, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that those persons who was on the motorcycle fled the scene, viewers and subscribers, and at some point the necessary authorities have been notified about the whole situation. So I got information that the incident caused some motorists to use other different roads because the incident caused somewhat of a traffic pileup because police and crime scene detectives went to the location, viewers and subscribers. It is said that investigation had been launched into the whole situation. It is said that the person who some people call a windshield wiper was taken to hospital and he was pronounced dead. Yeah, so I guess I have some left with people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.